After rigorous testing of OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones, here I am with a new video to answer all your questions and clear all your doubts regarding Wireless Z earphones. So stick till the end of the video to know that are these earphones actually worth Rs 2000 or not. Before continuing the video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel Flaunter Wanter right away, as it would really mean a lot to me. First of all, let's talk about their additional features, or as I like to call them, small convenience features. These earphones are loaded with such features. First, they are really easy to connect. Just detach them, they turn on. Search and select OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z in available devices under Bluetooth section in settings. That's it, you're good to go. Moreover, reconnecting is even easier. Just detach them from each other and they will reconnect to your device again, given that Bluetooth of device is on. Secondly, they have a dedicated function button on the left side collar to quickly switch between two paired devices such as your phone and laptop. You just need to press this so-called function button twice. Thirdly, OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones come with basic volume up-down buttons and a multi-function button in between them. Volume up-down buttons are self-explanatory, but multi-function button has a list of duties to fulfill. Just count with me. First, pick and disconnect calls. Second, play and pause music tracks or videos. Third, double press to skip to next track. Fourth, triple press to skip to previous track. Fifth, summoning voice assistance on your device by long pressing it. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z support Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, giving a strong connection of up to 10 meters. All these small nifty convenience features ask for a 5 out of 5, and that's what they get in this department. Further moving on, I would like to talk about the sound quality of Wireless Z earphones. They are equipped with 9.2mm dynamic drivers, which according to me are not big enough. Many new earphones and earbuds are launching with bigger drivers than these. Even my Rs 800 Jax 3 has 10mm dynamic drivers. Small drivers mean they are surely not louder than Jax 3 earphones. But the highs, mids and lows all sound better on Wireless Z earphones. Even treble is great, but bass is just fine. I personally would have preferred a little more bass. Sound has been balanced to near perfection, which makes them perfect companion to enjoy online shows and movies, as they provide good surround sound. Talking of call quality, I would say it's perfect. I mean, it is how it should be. I was able to hear the voice of the person on the other side of call crisp and clear. Same stands for my voice to the other side. In my rigorous testing of OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones, I noticed a small quirk. That when I connect these with my Realme X, I get an option to switch off or on the use of high quality audio. This option, when turned off, gives louder sound output through earphones, but when turned on, the sound becomes so much defined and smooth that I never wanted to turn this option off. Check out the difference yourself. But here comes the quirk. When I connected Wireless Z earphones with Redmi Note 7, no such option appeared. I literally have no explanation for this, but my best guess is that we know Realme is a subsidiary of BBK Electronics. So is OnePlus. So maybe OnePlus giving more support to its sister company. Observing all these points and super tonality, OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z get 4.3 out of 5 in sound quality section. I know majority of the viewers are here to know about the gaming capabilities of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones. OnePlus claims that with these earphones they have managed to bring down the latency to just 110 milliseconds, which means while playing games, you would feel little to no audio delay. So, is it any true? I believe it is. Here, observe yourself. Let me tell you, while gaming, I turn off the use high quality audio option for better audio sync. I am really happy about the fact that OnePlus brought such tech advancement at such a low price. And thus, for gaming capabilities, I give the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones 4.9 out of 5. If you guys think I should make a dedicated video comparing the latency of wired earphones, New Republic Jax 3 Bluetooth 5.0 earphones and OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones, then do convey me through the comment section. Coming to battery and charging section, OnePlus claims that the Bullets Wireless Z earphones can give 10 hours of playback time once charged for 10 minutes, as they have warp charge technology embedded in them. In my testing, this claim came out to be somewhat true, as using a 30 watts Whoop charger, which is basically rebranded warp charger, the battery percentage of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones shot up from 10% to 95% and gave playback time of roughly around 9 hours and 30 minutes. These earphones take almost an hour to charge from 0% to 100% completely. While charging, the LED on the left collar turns red, and once charged completely, the LED turns white, indicating a full charge. OnePlus claims that after a full charge, Bullets Wireless Z earphones give 20 hours of playback time. But in my testing, it came out close to 19 hours, which is still good enough. The charging port given on these earphones is USB Type-C, which is a major plus point. Moreover, when paired to a device, battery percentage of earphones is shown in the Bluetooth settings of the device. Seeing all such positive points, I am giving them 4.8 out of 5 in battery and charging section. Lastly, let's discuss about OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones build quality and design. The collar of these earphones is very strong and flexible, but I cannot say the same for the wires attaching the earphones to the collar. These wires seems a bit flimsy. Talking of earphones, they have been designed keeping the comfort aspect at the top. They sit comfortably inside my ears and did not hurt even after I wore them for more than 2 hours. The silicone tips at the end of the earphones help achieve this comfort and even prevent environmental sound to creep in while listening to music. Moreover, magnets present on the other end of the earphones are strong enough to keep the earphones in place when not in use, so you can be carefree when these hang idly from your neck. OnePlus claims that Bullets Wireless Z earphones are sweat and water resistant with certified IP55 rating. But I would say avoid taking them in rains or around pools, as the charging port has no covering over it, and the water can surely get inside through the port, damaging the earphones. The overall build is just fine, but the soft touch material of the collar does give it a premium feel. I own the oat color, which to me seems great. The other 3 color options are black, blue and mint. Presence of unique color options to choose from surely is a plus point according to me. Then again, OnePlus had to cut costs somewhere, and they decided not to give any case along with them. Now that's a real letdown. I'm quite not satisfied with the build and design of these OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones. Thus, in this section, they get 3.5 out of 5. But for a regular Joe, these will be quite satisfactory, as I have a habit of nitpicking. Before telling the overall score, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel as your one subscription will give a huge boost to my channel. Okay, now let's sum up all the scores. For sound quality, I gave 4.3 out of 5. For gaming capability, I gave 4.9 out of 5. For convenience features, I gave 5 out of 5. In battery and charging section, I gave 4.8 out of 5. In the last, for build and design, I gave 3.5 out of 5. Thus, their overall rating comes out to be 4.5 out of 5, which is great for the price of Rs 2000, making OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones as a value for money product. I hope all your doubts regarding these earphones have been cleared. If still you have a question, do ask in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer. This video took a lot of effort to complete. I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. Moreover, share this video to someone who is looking out for new earphones. That's it from my side for today. Goodbye and stay safe.